Hey everyone, welcome back to Aaron's Anime, and today we are gonna do some Demon Slayer. Been waiting for these for a while, matter of fact. First time opening, so it's gonna be interesting for everyone, even myself. Not gonna lie, I've only just watched the anime, haven't read the manga, so some of the names I'm 100% about to get wrong, but it's gonna be all good. It's going to be all about the fun and exciting of just opening up this pack and just seeing what we get. So, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and let's get into it. Let's just do this one, I reckon. Oh, just smashing the camera as usual. Okay. Oh, there's sellotape in the box. Oh. Okay, I'll try to do that left-handed. I'm not even left-handed. Which made that awkward. But I've bent the thing already. Oh. Oh well. That's what it looks like. Oh, this must be our bonus card. Save that unto the end. Oh, okay. Let's get into it. Oh yeah. So I'm guessing this might be a collector card that you need for collecting some items. Just got a normal SR and 2 Rs. I'm guessing that the rarity like this is the same as those Naruto ones that we've been pulling a lot of lately. So should be alright. Those little collector ones still look cool though. Might be a whole set of them. Try collect. Oh, first SSR, old Deku. No, Deku, that's old. What am I thinking of? My hero. Boom. Let's put SR over there. Yeah, SSR. The new season should be coming out of Demon Slayer, I'm pretty sure this year too, which is going to bring in a few more Demon Slayers that we haven't been introduced to yet, officially. So that should be alright. We might need to carry on and start again. Don't know what that means. And actually get back into reading some manga again. It's been a while. I think the last thing I remember fully reading would have probably been Bleach. And just getting in time prepared for 1,000-year arc to pop in. Can't believe Disney's bought it. And they have said that they're not going to censor any of it, so should be good. Oh yeah, it's your boy Rengoku. Oh, that looks nice. Put that over there. Oh, that was the dad. Took me a while to remember that. Of the main character. Oh. This is going to be interesting, this one. Oh. Oh. Let's put it this whole side. Makes it easier. Oh. And that's the bottom. Okay. Well, it's the man himself who taught him. Yeah, see, it's going to be horrible. Need to try to remember all their names again. So hard when you're just watching 1,000 enemies all the time. Especially when Shield Hero has started back up again. Just re-watching that all over. And then also watching the Skeleton Hero. Oh, what's his name? The one where he's reincarnated into a game. Oh, it's even nicer. That's a nice card. Oh, I can't even think of it. Skeleton, and he wears the white. Looks like a knight. The Skeleton Knight, I think. I think that's what it's called. Watching that. Oh, first you are. Nice hit. What else been watching? That reincarnated as a nobody. Done that. Got up to date and watching what was it? The Strongest Mage with the Weakest Crest. Watched all that within a week as well. So one thing I didn't think that I would actually like watching as an anime is all those like dating sims. That anime. I just basically watched it because I saw that the fight scenes online looked pretty awesome, so I watched that. That was quite cool. And that Date Alive, now that looks wicked as well. Well, if you can hear the helicopter in the background, they're just fixing up the stream that runs parallel our house. They're putting in some new storage and runoff and everything, so it's going to be quite noisy, I think, for this whole video. My apologies, it's only if you can hear it. Oh. Oh, there it is. I'll just get rid of that box. Put that there. Yeah, if there's anything that you guys want me to get my hands on and open, let me know in the comments below. Because I know I randomly saw online was Yu-Gi-Oh cards, but they were like the original ones that you used to watch on the, you know, after school, Monday to Fridays, without any of the writing on them or anything, just the original looking Yu-Gi-Oh! They look cool. Actually tempted to get a set of those just for fun, because they would just look nice. What else? Keep seeing every now and then some Marvel, but yeah, maybe just for a bit of fun. So my theory is that since we have only hit one UR card, that these must just be the lower end of the old Demon Slayer CCG, because we've hit only one UR, handful of SSR cards. Oh, got ourselves a double. Still though, very nice looking card. Put that over there. Yeah, I don't believe when they have all those redeem cards that they say to that help you get anything. I don't think they actually do anything, because most of them don't even exist, those stores. So oh, hello, a CP, banging. I was just trying to remember what part of the anime this is in. She's using his breathing technique. I don't remember her being anywhere near it. Huh. Oh. Oh. The sun. Background. Should have dropped the curtains lower, but oh well. Oh, two Nizukus of the old SR. Oh, got a few more of the old dad as well with his sun breathing techniques. Also saw that the main character, oh this dude, his forehead in the next anime series coming up is going to get a whole lot bigger and stronger too, just from what I've seen. So that's going to be very entertaining. Oh. Last pack, nothing. Oh well, so it's time to get into this. But this must be what the hit's all about. Oh, there's two cards. Get the back one first. Good call. Which leaves us with the main card. Oh, that's interesting. Just a bit of fun art, I reckon. Hit still. We hit it. Now we just got 2 more boxes. Anyway, thanks for watching, having a quick look at what we've got. I think the next video though, I will might just smash into it and just do both boxes I think next time. Remember, hit that like, hit that subscribe for more content, and we can carry on. And there's just a quick look. Oh, did an SSR. I think the action ones of these SSRs look way nicer. Anyway, thanks everyone. Cheers.